Welcome back to another video, guys. Today we are working on the Civic again, and we're doing something I have been looking forward to. That will be installing a Sparco steering wheel with the NRG hub and quick release. I will go ahead and do a little unboxing for you. All right, guys, here's what we got. Here's the wheel. I will link all this in the description. I got it all off Amazon. So first we've got the center, the horn button of the steering wheel with the OG Sparco badge, blue or black. I'm probably going to use, I don't know, I might use the black for the clean look, but I do like the OG. Make sure it's focused. The button. Here is the wheel. We got just the plain black with the like suede Alcantara material, and it feels awesome. Next we got the NRG quick release. You got all your paperwork and a little magazine. Hopefully we got the right adapter. Here is the quick release. Pull that back. Whoops. And it dings, yes. Now we also have whatever that is and whatever that is. I have never installed one of these in my life, FYI. Now we got the hub. That is like lubed up, so that'll go right there. That's the short hub too. So, and then also, guys, your sticker, but also your wheel does not come with hardware. So I bought this pack of Sparco hardware off of Amazon. I'll link it below. It came with this wire. I'm not sure what the wire is for, maybe the horn or something. But we are going to look at that. So there's everything. First thing we need to go do is head to the car and take the old wheel off. First thing you want to do is unhook your battery to make sure that your airbag does not go off. Now there's tabs on each side of this that'll just pop off. Go ahead and do that. Now you've got two of these star bits. Then you've got to unplug your airbag, which that's like spring loaded, so you pull that back and then that also unplugs. All right guys, now we have a 19mm that we're going to go ahead and get off. Hopefully you guys have an impact. If not, you're probably going to need a lot of leverage with a breaker bar or something. So if you've watched any other steering wheel installs, you'll know that everybody says to leave this threaded in some so that when you pull this off, you don't hit yourself. And just wiggle it really hard and eventually it'll come off. We are going to now be taking this off. That is your clock spring. I'm pretty sure this unplugs down low. So you're going to take all that out. The yellow plug is just like the other yellow plug, it's just a little tighter up in there. And then your horn, which is this red one, it plugs up in there also. And I'm hoping to retain the horn, but I don't know if we're going to or not. Okay guys, so after looking at this, I am not going to worry about retaining the horn right now because you see this is a contact point which goes to your wires here. So I think really the only way you can do this, I could be completely wrong, but guys will have like a coat hanger touching the horn power button and touching that so that this rotates around and is always in contact with that. But I don't really want to do that, so I'm going to do some research and try to find out the best possible way to do it. But for now, we're just going to put our hub on. You see it's got these two little notches here. There's two little notches in your clock spring. Those are just going to go right inside, and I'm just going to put the NRG up. Go ahead and undo it. I'm going to go ahead and plug these in even though they're not going to do anything. Alright guys, now we are ready to put the wheel on. There it is, guys. So, we did run into one problem, and that is that these bolts that I ordered are a little too long. So, you can see it's really loose. So I'm probably just gonna cut those down and re-tap them, and then they'll be good. But let's go ahead and finish putting everything back together here. All right, guys, here it is. I absolutely love the way it looks. Comes off, there's the hub. You can kind of hear it ding a little bit there, but I think it'll ding a lot more once we shorten these bolts and get them tight in there. So that, I think, looks amazing. Before we end this video, I want to get those bolts shortened, and I want to go on a drive with you guys. Kind of be like a first drive actually for the Civic. And there you have it, guys. The wheel feels fantastic. I love the size of it. I am also 6'8", so it's not the easiest for me to get in and out of a car like that, but without having that wheel in there, it is super convenient to get in and out of. I love it. So I love it, and I cannot wait to do some more driving with it. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. If it helped you or you enjoyed it, leave a like or a comment down below to help me out. And go ahead and subscribe so that we can do more videos like this. If any of you guys want to see me, eventually I'm gonna do the horn. If any of you guys want to see the horn, and I think I'll probably have an airbag light on too. If any of you guys want to see the horn or the airbag light delete type deal, not delete, but I'll probably just jumper it out or whatever. If any of you guys want to see a video on that, comment below and let me know, because I will do that if you guys want to see it. If you don't want to see it, I probably won't bother doing it. So just keep that in mind. But thank you so much, guys, for watching, and stay tuned for the next video.